Hey Internet, welcome to Friday night. Hope your week has come to a pleasant end. Here comes the weekend, as they call it. I wonder where they got that name. In any case, wanted to make just a little quick video before making dinner, even though it is a little late. And that was sort of just the reflection on the idea of pair programming, which could be abstracted, I guess, in some ways, to sort of just like learning with others, particularly in a one-on-one way, rather than trying to learn things by yourself or in a formal classroom setting. So I may have talked about this in earlier videos. I will likely talk about it in following videos, but sort of one of my favorite things about the boot camp that I'm participating in is the fact that each day we're sort of matched up with other people and get to work with those other people in a one-on-one context, a pair programming context. Sorry about all the noise. Walking by the canal. It's very nice canal, very nice night out to be on Friday. If only I had a sweet date. Sorry, and I digress. Ooh, look! McDonald's! Not that I like McDonald's or anything. And you just won't know whether or not I'm being facetious. In any case, like the ability to work with a lot of different people in a one-on-one context has been really cool. Let's go this way. Sometimes I wonder if the idea of recording a video while walking in a foreign place and crossing streets is actually at all a good idea. It seems like a terrible idea. At least you'll be witness to my last words if they do so happen that way. But in any case, just have really enjoyed being able to work with a variety of people in sort of the paired programming setting. But I've noticed that sort of I'm sure there are like some official opinions on what is pair programming, but the sort of version that I've really enjoyed is sort of two people, one computer. And I've noticed that I sort of learn a lot in that context, particularly as a function of, how well I get along with my buddy, whether they're more advanced, less advanced than me, same level sort of stuff. But I found it's been really cool in the way that the program's constructed, in that in the latter part of the program, the latter half, you're actually put into teams of 3 to 4. I'm on a team of 4 meaning 3 others and myself, and it's been amazing. So we've been officially on the team for maybe a week or 2, but we've now started working full time on projects, and our team is sort of self-organized into the concept of pairs of pair programming. So 2 of us will mash up, and then the other 2 will mash up. We'll take one computer and just start writing code, whether that's pseudocode, whether that's actual Ruby, whether that's JavaScript, whether it's HTML, CSS, whatever kind of language we're writing. It's always with one computer. Sometimes we cheat a little bit and use a sort of a second computer as a reference computer. So like if Googling, finding resources, reading documentation or GitHub docs and stuff like that. I guess sometimes we'll do it with 2 computers, but actually writing code, we'll just sort of stick to one. And I think part of the reason I enjoy it is just the fact that I get to learn a lot, but second reason is just like my 2 instances of working with 2 of my teammates have been awesome. Like all 3 of my teammates are super awesome, and I find that really, really gratifying. So the last thing I'd say about sort of pair programming and the idea of being in project teams is I think there's some interesting analogies to real life. There are people that you probably wouldn't really seek out to be on a team with, and there are other people whom you would seek out, but you can't always control that. And just sort of whether or not you have an amazing team like I do, or a team that's a little more challenging, each team does have, sort of issues and tension to regulate or overcome. And I find that really, really interesting. And I've super enjoyed sort of talking with my batchmates who are in different teams and sort of getting the lowdown on some of the things that come up, good or bad. So, all right, that's about it for the Friday night video. In today's evening video or night video, we wanted to sort of talk about pair programming and sort of reflect on some of the benefits of it, at least in my limited experience. Talked a little bit about how recently I joined a team of 3 others, and our team has self-organized into pairs of pair programming, so 2x2 matrices. We switch every day or two, we switch partners so that we get to work with everyone in the group over a select amount of time, and it's just been really, really great. So, all right, we would love to know if you have any experience with pair programming. If not, we'd love to know that too. We want to know sort of what your thoughts are. Does it make you nervous? Does it make you excited? Have you done it in the classroom setting, just with buddies, with pals, in meetups, or, professional experience? That would be cool to know too. So, all right, we would love feedback about the video format and content and stuff as per the usual. Ooh, that is great lighting. Oh man, delightful lighting. Yeah, because we do want to make these better, even if they're terrible. Maybe particularly if they're terrible. Who knows? Anyway, we're gonna bounce. Gonna make some dinner. Hope you have a good weekend, and we'll be around tomorrow and Sunday if you wanna check out what's around on the channel. Okay, stopping to make sense, so it's probably a signal that I should go. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.